Question number 10 is 225 into, okay, 10 number. 5 to the power x plus 1 by 5 to the power x is equal to 5 whole 1 by 5. Okay. Now, what I have told you last time, 5 to the power x base sign power, what is here in numerator, same is in another fraction in denominator. In that case, we have to suppose, I told you, let 5 to the power x be a. Then 5 to the power x is a plus 1 by 5 to the power x is also a equals to 5 whole 1 by 5. Or let's take the LCM. A and 1 is a, and you know the process, we divide the LCM by the denominator. The quotient is a, the quotient is multiplied with the numerator. A into a is a square, plus again for the second fraction, the LCM is divided by the denominator. A is divided by a, the quotient is 1, and the quotient is multiplied with the numerator. 1 into 1 equals to 1, and break this fraction into pure fraction. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 equals to 26 divided by 5. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, let's do the cross multiplication. 5 into a square is 5a square plus 5 into a is 5 is equal to 26 into a equals to 26a. Now bring all terms one side. 5a square plus 5 minus 26a equals to 0. And last time in previous classes I told you how to arrange the algebraic expression into descending order. 5a square is here, then a square and a terms would be there, and then constant terms would be there. So our 5a square minus 26a plus 5 equals to 0. Now there are three terms. We have to factorize it using mid-term factorization method or mid-term factorization process, or you can say 3 term into 4 term, convert 3 terms into 4 terms. So what is the process? Multiply first term and last term. 5 5s are 25. Now find out the pair factors of 25 such that on addition of the pair the result should be 26. So 5, I told you how to find out the pair factor. Dividing by 1, 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. On addition we need 26. So here pair factor 1 into 25 is the correct pair factor for this factorization. 5a square minus inside the bracket 25 plus 1, and the variable is a plus 5 is equal to 0, or 5a square minus, just open the bracket, 25 into a equals 25a, and I told you sign is multiplied with sign, variable is multiplied with variable, and number is multiplied with number. So 25 into a is 25, minus plus minus, and a into 1 is a plus 5 is equal to 0. Any confusion up to here?
Sir,
Sir.
Okay, okay.
No.
Now take the common from the first two, and then again common from the second two. First two, 5 and a is common. 5 already taken common. From a square, a is common, so a is here. Minus 25 already common, or not 25. From 25, 5 is common, so divide 25 by 5. Divide 25 by the common. 25 is divided by 5 is 5. A is already common, so this much. And minus, here is nothing common means 1, and a minus plus minus 5 is equal to 0. So while discussing about midterm factorization process, I told you after taking the common from the first two and common from the second two, whatever is inside should be same in terms of variable, same in terms of number, same in terms of sign. So here a minus 5 here, let's take the common a minus 5, and the remaining is 5a minus 1 is equal to 0. And I told you, when the product of two factor is equal to 0, then either first factor equals to 0 or second factor equals to 0. So either a minus 5 equals to 0 or a equals to 5. And see the question, there is no a in question. A is actually we have supposed to solve it easily. Okay, or here replace, now replacing the value of a. So value of a means what we have supposed, a is 5 to the power x. So 5 to the power x, the value of a is 5 to the power x is equal to 5. And what should be the condition for taking powers only? Base same,
Base same.
single base, same base, single base, same base. Now taking powers only. Taking powers
Powers.
only. So there no power means 1, therefore x equals to 1. From either part means from the first factor. Now or part means second factor is still there. Now or, that was either, now or, what is the second factor? 5a minus 1 equals to 0. 5a minus 1 equals 0, or 5a equals to 1, or a equals to 1 by 5. Now a is not in the question, we have supposed it, so replacing the value of a. Replacing the value of a, or you can write on value of a equals to 5 to the power x, and no problem, you can write on only value of a also. So therefore value of a is 5 to the power x equals to 1 by 5. And what is the condition to take powers only? Same base, single base. Single base is here, but same base is not here. Here 5 is in numerator, but here 5 is in denominator. And we know the laws of indices. A to the power minus 1 equals to 1 by a, or 1 by a can be written as a to the power minus 1, just vice versa. Or, so 5 is here, 5 to the power minus 1. Now single base, same base, taking powers only. Taking powers only. X equals to minus 1. Therefore x equals to 1 or minus 1. Where is 1? 1 is here. Value of x from the first factor is 1, and from the second factor value of x is minus 1. Therefore the value of x equals 1 or minus 1. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, if you want
No,
to
sir.
in screenshot, you can take the screenshot. This is just discussion part, you can take it. Finished? Next one from here. Okay, now take the screenshot. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go to here. I hope it is finished. Okay, any other problem, any other confusion in this exercise?
No, sir. No,
Any,
sir.
any confusion in examples?
No. No. No, sir. No,
Okay,
sir.
okay, profit and loss. Now we are starting profit and loss lesson 2. Lesson 2, profit and loss. Have you done this exercise in class 8?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then go to the copy.
Sir.
See here, profit and loss. So Anita, why are you late in the class?
There was some problem in my home.
Every day there is some problem at your home.
No.
And another also, Ayusa.
Sorry.
Ayusa, why
Yes,
were
sir.
you late?
The net problem.
No problem. Are you in Automadi?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now, Anita, start your video.
Sir.
Anita went to Bhadraguru Medical Hall, I think near to your house, and then asked some medicine. Okay, she asked some
Okay, sir.
medicine, and the shopkeeper, the pharmacist asked, told you its cost is rupees 150. Okay, so Anita paid rupees 150 to the pharmacist, and she was going to home. And on the way, there was Rosal. Suppose Rosal was also going to the same medical hall to buy the same medicine, and he asked Anita, "Could you sell it me?" Then Anita said, "Oh, okay, okay, I will help you." Then Anita sold that medicine 8 rupees 200 to Rosal. Okay. Then now Anita tell me, we have profit or loss?
Profit.
How much?
This way.
50,
50.
50 rupees. How do you know that you have a profit of rupees 50?
Uh, Using formula of profit SP minus CP. Not.
Look at here. You have paid 100 rupees.
No,
You got
150.
200 rupees. You got 200 rupees, but you have paid 150 rupees. So rupees 50. This is the extra amount that you got from Razal. Is it? And this
Yes,
is
sir.
profit. You told me that this is profit. So what is the formula for profit? Profit,
SP minus CP.
P minus CP.
sold amount, yes, sold amount, or that is called selling price, SP, minus,
Minus
because you have done this
price.
one, this is 200 minus 150 is the profit. 200 means your selling price, and then 150 means your buying price or your cost price, that the amount you have paid. So that is called cost price. So now this is the formula, and loss equals to, okay, suppose again Russell was going home, taking the medicine that he had paid rupees 200 to Anita. On the way, he got Ayusha. Ayusha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. On the way, Razal met Ayusha.
Sound is never.
Can't you hear?
Sir, I Raja.
Okay, I think.
Sarabaya.
Okay, okay, that's good. Okay, and then Razal met Ayusha on the way, and Ayusha asked, "Could you give me that medicine?" And Razal said, being happy, no, why not? Sure, sure. And then he took only 150 rupees from Ayusha. How generous is he? So he took only 150 from Ayusha. Then Ayusha was very happy, like now laughing. No. Okay. Then what happened for Razal? For Razal.
Loss.
Razal
Obviously loss.
paid 200 to Anita. Razal took only 115 from Ayusha. He paid 200. He got 150. Now
150 only.
there is profit or loss.
Obviously loss.
Obviously
Loss.
loss. So how much is your loss amount? 200 minus 150 rupees 50 is loss. So 200
150.
is his paid amount. His buying price. That means his cost price CP. And 150 he got. That means his selling amount or selling price. That is called SP. So formula for loss is CP minus SP. Any confusion for these two formula?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then in class 8 you also discuss how to find out the percentage. Okay, how to find out percentage? To find out percentage, you must
We
divide
have
that
to
amount by total into 100.
100.
Look at here. Suppose here for Anita, this is Anita.
Again, Anita.
Profit 50 rupees. She got 50 rupees profit in 200 or 150. What do you think?
Sorry?
Other students except Anita. Tell me, she got 50 rupees profit. That 50 rupees profit is in 200 or in 150?
200.
200.
With respect to 150, she got profit 50 rupees. Okay, 200 is your selling price. Anita's selling price is 200. Suppose, who is there next? Next there is Rajani. Okay, Rajani did not know what is the cost price of that medicine. Suppose Rajani did not know what is the paid amount for that medicine and how much money is paid by Anita to that medicine. Rajani did not know. Then tell me, Rajani, what is the profit or loss if Anita sold that amount at 200 rupees?
Profit.
How do you know? You don't know the cost price. So
Loss.
without knowing cost price CP, without knowing cost price, we cannot say either profit or loss. Suppose I have a power bank, this one, let's say, and then I sold it to Anita at 5,000. Now Razal, tell me what happened to me, profit or loss? I sold it at
Sir,
5,000.
5,000.
I sold it at 5,000. Cost price is here. I told you cost price is the most important thing to declare profit or loss. I sold it as 5,000. Now what happened to me? Profit or loss? Asbina,
Yes,
Asbina,
sir.
is
Yes,
there
sir.
profit or loss? If there is there profit or loss? If I sold it at 5,000.
There is no CP, then we cannot say that is profit or loss.
Yes, we cannot declare whether profit or loss. Suppose I sold it to Rajal. Okay. Now I sold it to Anita at 5,000. Then I don't know profit or loss. Sold it to Rajal a 200. Rajal, profit or loss, I don't know. I lost this power bank. Lost. Profit or loss? Obviously loss because now I
Loss.
don't have. Okay.
Power bank.
Okay. now I bought this one a rupees 7,000. Now Anita, tell me what happened to me. You are muted.
Loss.
How do you know loss? Bought at 7,000, sold at 5,000 loss. Before knowing the cost price, my paid amount, we cannot say whether it is profit or loss. So now Razal, tell me what happened to me.
Sir, loss.
Loss. And Ayusha, tell me what happened to me. If I lost it,
Loss.
if I lost it, loss. Then I sold it to Isila. Isila,
Yes, sir.
I sold you at 9,000. What happened to me?
Profit.
Profit. So if you know cost price, then only you can tell whether it is profit or loss. So the base of profit and loss is cost price. And another thing you have to remember, base is cost price. One thing. Next, what is this?
Shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper. So Anita bought the medicine at 150 in another example and sold it at 200 rupees. Now Anita is shopkeeper. Is it? I
Yes,
bought this
sir.
power bank. I bought this power bank at 7,000 and I sold it at 5,000. Then I am a shopkeeper because I bought and I sold. So profit and loss is calculated from the point of view of shopkeeper, not from the point of view of customer. While you are solving the solution of profit and loss, you have to remember that person who is doing that transaction in the question is a shopkeeper. That suppose that person is you and you are the shopkeeper, and then you have to solve. If you think the person is a customer, then you cannot solve profit and loss question. So profit and loss, every activities, every event given in the question, you have to think being a shopkeeper. Then only you can solve it. So these two things you have to remember while doing profit and loss. One, the base of profit and loss is cost price, CP, and you are the shopkeeper to calculate profit and loss, not the customer. Customer doesn't know whether that person has loss or profit. Only the shopkeeper knows whether he or she made profit or loss. That means without buying, we never sell it. And while there is buying and selling activity, then only there will be profit and loss. So let's go to the question. Book. First of all, let's go to the book. Profit and loss. See the highlighted text, yellow text. The profit and loss. The profit and loss in any article. Remember, any article is the certain percent amount increase or decrease. Increase or decrease. So when the amount is increased, profit. When the amount is decreased, and loss. Oh, so not here. Here, loss. So if amount is increased, then paid amount, profit. If amount is decreased, then paid amount, loss. So this formula you have done in class 8. So I am not explaining these all things. Actual profit, just we have discussed selling price minus cost price, SP minus CP, and then actual loss is cost price minus selling price. Then I was talking about the percentage, profit percent. See, profit percent. Percent, how to calculate percentage? That profit amount is divided by cost price. Why not selling price? We divide profit amount by cost price to get the profit percent. Why not by selling price?
Because it is the
Because profit and loss depends on cost price.
cost
So
price.
how to find out profit percentage? Profit percentage, if you are going to find out the profit percentage, the profit amount
Profit amount happens being
and profit depends on cost price, and to calculate percentage we multiply it by 100.
into 100%.
So how do you find out loss percentage? To find out loss percentage, we divide loss amount. We are
Loss
calculating
amount.
loss percentage, that's why loss amount is divided by
CP
profit and loss depends on cost price divided by
into
CP.
100%.
So here Prasna is there. Prasna,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now tell me Prasna percentage. Just example, just for fun. Prasna, how do you find out Prasna percentage? How do you find out? Look at here. How do we get profit percentage? Profit amount by relation of profit into 100%, because profit relates to cost price. And loss percentage, loss amount by relation of loss into 100%. So Prasna percentage, Prasna divided by relation of Prasna into 100%. Prasna, are you getting the idea?
Yes, sir.
Very happy, no? Prasna percentage. Okay, this is just for fun, but remember this thing, relation. I'm using the word relation. Here, y divided by CP, because loss is related to cost price, or loss depends on cost price. Why here is divided by CP? Because profit depends on CP, or profit is related to CP. Now, one thing here, discount. Have you heard the word discount?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how do you calculate discount? You find out discount. Is there anybody shopkeeper? Do you have shop at your home?
No, sir.
Nobody. Then who is remaining a resale? Aspina Pandit, Ayusha, Rajan. Okay, Rajani also already asked. Aspina. Aspina.
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose you are shopkeeper. And then Job. Job went to her shop. Okay. And Job wants to buy, what he wants to buy? Mobile, suppose. Aspina has mobile shop. So Asmina told Job its cost price is 35,000 and Job asked some discount. And Asmina gave her 5,000 discount. Okay, okay. And what is the amount paid by Job?
30,000.
30,000.
Oh, Job paid 30,000. Job, you know? Okay, very good. Job paid 30,000. Paid means this is the cost price for Job. But I told you,
So,
profit and loss is calculated from the point of view of a shopkeeper. So for shopkeeper, for Aspina, 30,000 for Aspina is selling price. We cannot think from the point of view of Job because Job is a customer and profit and loss is calculated by the shopkeeper. So we have to calculate from the point of view of shopkeeper. Aspina is a shopkeeper. So 30,000, at 30,000 Aspina sold a mobile. So this is selling price. And then here cost price is not given. And this 5,000, we know this is the discount. Discount equals to 5,000. So what should be called to this amount 35,000?
Mark price.
Mark
mark
price.
price.
M-A-R-K-E-T, marked price.
Only 1 year.
In shortcut, we say MP,
MP.
mark price. So discount is given from mark price. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Discount is
Yes,
given
sir.
from mark price. If there is no mark price, no discount. If there is discount, there must be mark price. It means discount is related to mark price. If there is the mark price, then only there is discount. If there is no discount, there is no mark price. If there is no mark price, then no discount. If there is mark price, then there is discount. So discount is related to mark price. Now tell me the discount percentage formula. Discount percentage.
MP minus D% on MP.
Discount to find out any percentage, first of all we have to divide that amount.
Discount amount upon MP into 100%.
Discount amount.
Amount upon MP into
Upon.
100%.
Why MP? Why not selling price? Why not cost price? In profit and loss, there was divided. That was divided by cost price. Why not here divide by cost price?
Because
Relation.
discount is related to mark
Profit
price.
and loss.
To mark price into 100.
Into 100%.
So if you know this concept, you need not to learn the formula. So you have to learn the concept. Calculation of percentage. To find out the percentage formula, what we are using, what we are going to find out, the which items percentage is needed, that item by relation of that one into 100%. Like for example, I told you the prasna percentage. Prasna relation of prasna into 100%. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now go to the exercise. Let's go to the exercise. Exercise 2. Let me share the question. Page number, okay, here. Page number, what is the page number? Page number 16. Exercise 2. First question. What it says? Now, question says find the value of variables in the given table. Value of variable, but variable is not given in the table. What is asked? What is asked? So here what we have to find out in this part, we have to find out either profit or loss amount. We have to find out in this table, in this box, and similarly in down one box also same thing we have to find out. And in this box we have to find out profit or loss percentage here, and in another box also we have to find out the same thing, percentage. One we have to find out profit or loss amount, another we have to find out profit or loss percentage. Then go to the question. Here according to question, what is the CP?
500.
500.
SP?
625. 625.
Okay, now go to the copies here. Now CP from the table, CP equals to rupees 500 and selling price SP equals to rupees
625.
625. Now tell me, SP is greater or CP is greater?
SP.
SP.
Okay,
SP is good.
is here since SP is greater than CP. Do you know this symbol and this symbol?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This symbol is greater than and this
Greater
symbol
than.
is smaller than.
Less.
Okay, greater than, smaller than. And if selling price is more, selling price is greater than cost price, there will be profit. Sold amount is more than paid amount, profit. Okay, look at here. If SP is greater than CP, sold amount is greater than paid amount, then profit, there will be profit.
Profit.
If paid amount is greater than sold amount, then there will be loss.
Loss.
That's why I have written here. First of all, check which one is greater. Your selling price is greater than cost price, so therefore loss or no profit.
Profit.
Profit equals to SP minus CP. 625 minus 500 is equal to rupees 25. First box asks find out the profit or loss amount. Second box asks percentage. Now profit percentage. If here is profit,
125.
okay, very good. Who told this one?
120.
Ayusha or Anita? Who told this one 125?
Ayusha.
Okay, very good. Good. Now profit percentage. Profit percentage. What is the formula for profit percentage?
Profit amount.
Profit upon
Profit
CP into
amount
100.
by SP or CP?
CP.
Why CP? Why CP? Because profit is related to CP. 200%. And profit is rupees 125 and cost price is 500 into 100%. You know, 100, 5 times 500 and 5 to
Five.
10, 5 5 to 25 equals to 25%. This is your one answer. This is another answer. According to question says find out two things. One first box that is about profit, and then second box that is about first is profit. Question says find out profit, and then question says another percentage. That percentage. Okay. Now question says find out profit percent or loss percent. We calculated profit, and then second question says find out the percentage. Can you do like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion
Yes,
about
sir.
this all? Any confusion?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So what I have discussed, profit percent, how to find out profit, how to find out loss,
Lot.
and then how to find out profit percentage, how to find out
Loss
loss
percentage.
percentage, and see here very carefully, very carefully. Profit and loss depends on cost price, and profit and loss is calculated from the point of view of shopkeeper,
Keeper.
not by the customer. Not from the point of view of customer, by the shopkeeper. When you are solving profit and loss question, remember you are that shopkeeper and you are calculating your profit or loss. If you think like that one, then you can easily understand the question and you can easily do it. So your homework is question number 1 all. Okay, then two I will discuss tomorrow. Just do, you will know this one. If there is any problem, then tomorrow I'll help you. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this much for today. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. And don't forget to
Bye,
post the
sir.
homework. Don't forget to post the homework 7 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. 7:15 p.m. One thing, another thing. Whether you can solve the problem properly or not, you have to try it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, sir.